How to add nearby friends on Snapchat. First of all, we open the Snapchat app. Usually we use this for chatting and sending snaps. But now I'm going to show you how to find a nearby friend on Snapchat. Tap on the search bar and find any location that you want. And then you can see many people's stories in that location. Simply tap any of the stories. Tap on three dots. Then tap on the Add button. That's how you can add nearby friends on Snapchat. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.